Once someone's interested in a class or program, the biggest risk is losing them before they complete registration. For example, someone finds a class but isn't sure how to sign up. An instructor has to repeatedly answer the same questions about schedules, skill levels, or what to bring, or a client registers for a class but forgets when the class is. Often the difference comes down to how clear the next step feels. One helpful approach is collecting the right information up front. Registration forms allow participants to share important details like experience level, goals, or allergies before the class begins. This helps instructors prepare ahead of time and reduces back and forth messages. Automated emails can guide people through the process. For example, when someone joins a waitlist or fills out a form to learn more, they can automatically receive a message with program details and a link to register. After someone signs up, those emails can also help with onboarding, sharing things like preparation materials, the class schedule, or what participants should bring to the first session. You can also connect Acuity Scheduling, our powerful booking software, to reduce no-shows, reclaim your time, and drive revenue. With Acuity, clients self-book appointments on your branded booking page, fill out required intake forms, accept policies, get automated reminders, and easily pay deposits, full prepayment or pay in person using simple methods like tap to pay or payment links. And when someone is ready to join, the sign-up process should feel quick and simple. Reserving a spot and completing payment should feel like the natural next step. When the process is clear and easy, more interested visitors turn into enrolled participants. Your work, your world, powered by Squarespace.